Boomba!
Race spec is going to have a little bit more firm of a bushing, which does offer better performance.
Give me like an hour, please, and I'll do this. Thank you.
Welcome to Boomba Racing. Boomba Racing lanyard.
Jacob here with your weekly Boomba update.
Look what we just got back from anodizing.
Hey everyone, I'm Steve. And I'm Joey. And this week, we're live streaming inside of our new studio.
Thank you so much for watching, but before you go, here's 2 other videos you might like.
Slap one on your boss's car. Try not to get fired.
Thank you so much for watching, but before you go, here's 2 other videos you might like.